Now it will come. Yes, yeah, fine. Good morning, everyone. So, in the previous class, we have learned about many flower producing plants, right? Today, we are going to learn about the few plants which does not bear any sort of flowers. Okay, open your workbook, science workbook. Page number 30. In that question number C. In the fourth main question flowers, in that question number C. Okay, find plants which never get any flowers. Okay, so now I am going to share the slide to you. Okay, so write down the names of the plant. Okay, I will tell you. Okay, so somebody of you have told. Okay, somebody of you have told that first the coriander plant will not produce the will not produce the flowers, right? I told you coriander flowers will turn into seeds. Okay, after a few days, the coriander flowers will turn into seeds. Okay, and somebody of you have told about the tulsi plant, right? Tulsi plant will also not produce flower like you have told. But no, tulsi plant will also going to produce the flowers. Okay, so from that we can get the seeds. Okay, tulsi plant is also going to produce the seeds. Okay, it is also going to produce the flowers. Okay, some of you have told the aloe vera. But aloe vera plant is not going to produce any sort of the flowers. Okay, and somebody of you have told the money plants also. Yes, even the money plant will also produce the leaf, produce the flower. Everybody mute your mic. This class is getting recording. Okay, I will give 10 minutes for the discussion at the end of this class. Is it clear, children? Show me your thumb. Okay, fine. Okay. Now, I'm going to present the screen for you. Okay, I'm going to present. Share the slide for you guys. In that, you can see. Okay, many plants which does not bear or does not produce any sort of flowers. One by one, you have to write the names in your workbook. Page number 30, fourth main question flowers. In that C question, find plants which never get any flower. Okay, the first one is fern. You can see this fern grown on the. You can see this fern that is grown on the big trees. Okay, or grown on the. Everybody mute your mic. Everybody should mute your mic, children, so that everybody can hear it properly. Okay, yeah, you can see this fern picture. Fern plant. Okay, you can see the fern plant that grows on the other big plant. This is a parasitic plant. Okay, that will grow on the other plant. Or you can see some way the moisture content will be there. Okay, so on the house. Okay, on the house also you can see somewhat the old house. Okay, so there you can see these types of plants. Okay, what is the name of this plant? Fern. Write down the spelling F-E-R-N. Write down the spelling in your workbook. F-E-R-N. Workbook page number 13. Fourth flower question in that sub question C. F-E-R-N. Write down.
Ma'am, page number 4, ma'am, we should write these questions.
Money plant. Okay. So you ma'am
Page number.
Who is asking?
Ma'am, in C questions we should write 5 and
Read question. Read question and write down the answer. Okay.
Ma'am,
Fine. Next,
fourth
the
name.
money plant. Read the mic. I'm able to hear your vehicle sound and all. Read the mic. Okay, money plant. You can see these money plants. Vijata, mute your mic. Money plants near to your home. Okay, your parents are growing, right? So in front of your home or without the soil also this plant will grow. Okay, you can take the stem of this plant and you can put it in the water in your room. Okay, so that your plant is going to grow in the bottle only. Okay, this plant also not going to have any sort of
Ma'am, this is so
flowers.
much. Ma'am, in
Okay.
seed question 5 in plant, fish never get any flower.
Yes, for that you have to write this answer. Okay, so first one is fern, F-E-R-N. This plant name you have to write fern. Write down in your workbook and everybody have to send me the snapshot of your workbook today only. No need to do delay. Next is money plant. M-O-N-E-Y money plant. P-L-A-N-T plant.
And page number what?
Prithvi, where were you till now?
Page number is 13.
Ah, you know that. Write down now. You know the question even. Next is pines. Okay, pine tree have you seen? Christmas tree will tell, right? Yeah, so that is the pine tree. Okay, so pine trees are also not going to produce any sort of flowers. Have you seen any flowers in the Ashoka tree, children? No, right? Ashoka tree will also not produce any sort of flower. Okay, pines. Write down the name pines. P-I-N-E-S. You can zoom it. You can zoom it in your screen. So if you stretch your finger on the screen like this, you can zoom and you can see the spellings.
Ma'am,
Okay.
Christmas. Ma'am, only 4 lines are there.
Okay, okay. Write down how much you want. Okay. So next, this plant you have seen, right? These plants are called as the crotons. Okay, these plants are called as the croton plants. Okay, so write down the spelling. Croton plants are also not going to produce any sort of flowers, any type of flowers. Write down C-R-O-T-O-N-S, crotons.
Ma'am, this is in our
Pooja
garden.
Naik. Pooja Naik. What is your name? Pooja Naik. Sit straight.
Ma'am, I can't listen. Ma'am, I can't listen.
Yes, children. Sit straight and write down this one. Who is this Pooja Naik?
Yes, ma'am.
Sit straight. I said sit straight.
Ma'am, what is the spelling of croton? This.
Where is your workbook? Where is your workbook? Write down the names of the plant.
Ma'am, no, ma'am.
Write down the names of the plant. Take any book. This is your workbook. She said, write down as many plants I will show you in the slides.
What
Okay?
is the
Below that also you can write down. She said, your voice is not clear.
Ma'am, write in the English HW.
Workbook. I said to copy in the workbook now.
Okay, ma'am.
So till now we have studied about the fir, money plant and the pines as well as the crotons. Okay, next one is moss. What do you mean by moss? Pachi. Mane hatra pachi beldirutte alva. So that is called as moss. Moss are very tiny plants. Moss are very tiny plants which doesn't have a root, which doesn't have a proper root. Okay, which doesn't have a proper root. Okay. Yeah.
Good
Right.
morning, ma'am.
MOSS, moss. So when you see this in your home, you should not do that. You have to tell moss has been grown over here. Liverworts. Okay, liverworts is a one type of plant which also does not produce any sort of flower. Okay.
Ma'am, what is the next line is over?
Below that you can write it, children. Below the
What is the page number?
I have workbook here. I have workbook here. Below that only you can write. If I
Ma'am, what is the spelling of protons?
protons, CROTONS. If I tell to mute, you have to mute. I can see it.
Ma'am, page number 4. And put the 6th one. Ma'am, what is the page number?
See in the chat box. In the chat box.
Ma'am, what is the page number?
Workbook
Ma'am, I can't see.
number.
And put the 6th one.
30.
And put the 6th one, class. Ma'am, now we can see it.
Okay, fine. Write down. Okay, fine, children. So you have noted down. You can search. Many other plants will be there. Many other plants will be there which does not produce the flowers. Okay, you can leave those plants and you have to send it to me. That is the homework for you guys. Today's homework is you have to list the names of the plants which does not produce any sort of flowers. Okay, so you can search. Beetle leaf will be beetle leaf plant will produce any sort of flowers. Okay, so you can search many more. You search many more. You go to the garden. The plant which never produce any sort of flowers. Write those plants in and send it to me. Fine. Okay. So next, I'm presenting this slide. Okay.
Ma'am, in group you send your homework today. And put the 6th one, please.
Okay. Next, one more activity is there in your workbook. One more activity is there in your workbook. That is about how many children to hold one tree. Fifth question. You can see in your workbook, children. See in your workbook. Question number 5. How many children to hold one tree? Page number 13.
13.
Yeah. How many children to hold one tree? Okay. That question is there in the first sub question A. Put your arms around the trunk of a tree. How much of you does it take to hold one tree? For this, you have to write the answer. What you have to do for this? You have to search for a big tree, big trunk tree. You have to search nearby your home. Okay? Take your family members. Take your family members. Here they had given that. So with your friends, but now you are not able to get your friends near to your home, right? So what you have to do, take your family members near to your big trunk tree, okay? And one by one, hold your hands, okay? One by one, hold your hands surrounding to the big tree and check how many members.
It is banyan tree.
How many members are able to cover the big tree? In that you have to write which tree you have selected, and how many members you have joined your hands to cover the trunk of that big
Ma'am,
tree.
banana tree.
Yeah. You go there. Okay. Take your family members. Take your family members. Okay. Which tree you have
Ma'am,
selected
jasmine tree.
and how many members? Okay. Fine, children. That is the homework for you guys today.
Ma'am,
Okay.
ma'am, in our garden, one coconut tree is there.
Also, mute your mic. So
Ma'am,
who
page
wants to
number.
call, they have to unmute and they have to tell me the answer.
Ma'am,
Okay. So now the B question is there.
the page number, ma'am.
Yeah. Write down homework on 5th A question. In the workbook, page number 30, 5th A question as a homework. Write down HW. Again, I will send it in the WhatsApp. Next, B question is there. Name of a tree with a large trunk. Okay. Go and search which tree is having a big trunk. Search for the tree and write down the name of the tree. Okay, in your workbook. You have to write down the name of the tree. Yes, somebody told banyan tree. Okay.
Ma'am.
Okay. Search in your
Tree. And what is the name of the
which
flower?
tree will be having a big trunk. Okay, you have to write the name of that tree in your workbook, page number 30, the question number 5 in the sub question B. Okay, so that is the homework for you guys. Today 3 homeworks I had given. You have to list out the plants which never bear any sort of flowers. Next, we have to go to a big tree which is having a big trunk with your family members. You have to hold your hands one by one to cover the tree, and you have to write down the number, how many members you have covered the tree. Okay, so that number you have to write along with the tree name. The third one is you have to write the big tree trunk, the tree which is having a big trunk. Okay, we have to write the name of a tree which is having the big trunk. Okay, 3 homework I had given to you. Next one, we are going to learn about the barks of a tree. Okay, barks. What do you mean by barks? The outer covering of a tree. If you touch that, some plants feel very rough, very hard, right? But if you touch some plants, it will be very smooth in texture, right? Then, so now we will study about the plants which have the rough barks and plants which have the smooth barks. Okay, why some of the plants will be having the rough barks? Why some of the plants will be having the smooth bark? That question will come in your mind, right? Yes. The plants which have a rough bark will grow very quickly. Okay, so it will be having a very fast recovering cell repairment structure. Fast growth will be there in that plant. Those plants will be having a very rough bark. Okay, plants which grow very quickly, which have the capacity to repair cells, damaged cells very quickly. Those plants will be having a very rough and hard barks. Okay, and plants which grow very slowly, they will be having a smooth bark. Okay, so now I will show you some of the trees which have the rough bark and some of the trees which have the smooth barks. Okay, so are you ready to learn?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Okay, I'm opening the plant which have the rough bark. Later we will study the plants which have the smooth bark. Okay, so you have learned, right? Why the plants will be having the rough bark? Okay, so now I am sharing. Are you able to see now? If it is yes, show me your thumb. Yes, very nice, very nice, very nice. Everybody are able to see. Okay, the plants will be having a rough bark. Why these trees they will be having a rough bark. Okay, when you feel the bark of a tree, you will feel rough, right? So why this will be having? The tree must grow its bark quite fast. Okay, cell repairment will be very fast. Okay, so those trees will be having a rough textured bark. Okay, rough textured bark. Okay, you can tell to your parents why this plant is having a rough bark and why these plants will be having a smooth bark. You can explain to your parents even, right? So now you are having the capacity to tell to your parents, right? Yes or no? Yes, you can share with your friends why these plants will be having a rough bark, why these plants will be having a smooth bark. Okay, rough bark having plants will grow very fast, will grow very quickly. Okay, it is having a fast cell repairment capacity. Okay, for example, pine tree. For example, this pine tree never bears any sort of flower. So that one I have already shown to you, right? Yeah. Next is neem tree. Neem tree is also having a rough bark. Okay. Even the mango tree is also having a rough bark. Inside these barks, you can see many sort of insects, caterpillars, okay, will be present. Okay, because tree is the habitat for many creatures, right? For example, insects, birds, animals, many of the living beings are going to live in the plant, right? Even in the barks also, you can see if you take out the bark piece, if you take out the bark piece, inside that see, many insects will be crawling, right? You can see many insects will be crawling. You go and observe in the nature, okay, which tree will be having a which type of insect. Okay, so you just go, okay, in your garden, you just go visit in your garden and you just take any bark, okay, and besides the bark, you just check any insects are there or no. Okay, or if any insects are crawling or if any insects are moving, any plants and any animals, okay, surrounding to the tree, or so some fern you can see on the big trees. Okay, so see that, observe that, and write down those plants name, maximum plants name, you come to know that, right? So maximum plants, if you don't know that names in the English, try to write in Kannada itself, no problem. Okay, it's not a problem, fine. So if you don't know the words in English, you just write down in the Kannada, later I will tell you the meaning in the English. Okay, fine. See here, today what you have to do. Okay, so now we have learned about the rough bark trees or the plants. Now I'm going to share you the slide which is having a plant which is having a smooth bark. Okay, so why these plants will be having a smooth bark? Okay.
Ma'am, we can't see.
I have told you. Yes, see here, those trees will, they are going to grow very slowly. Okay, the plants which have a smooth bark, plants which have smooth bark, they will grow very slowly. Okay, for example, you can see here, so which plant this is. Okay, so I will show you. Now some other tree, yeah, you can see the rubber tree bark. It will be very smooth. You can cut like this and you can get the rubber milk from that rubber tree. Okay, and you can see a guava tree, right? If you touch the guava tree, you will feel the smooth texture, right? Because this plant will grow very slowly. And even the eucalyptus bark. Eucalyptus andre ಏನು? Nilgiri mara, right? Yeah, eucalyptus plant. Eucalyptus plant you can see in the rainbow color also. Okay, this one you may be not knowing. So generally you will see this one. So I'm going to enlarge that. You can see this type of bark
Ma'am,
in
this
the
color is too nice.
eucalyptus plant. Okay, so in some of the forest you can see the rainbow colored eucalyptus bark trees. Okay, rainbow colored eucalyptus bark tree. See how beautifully it is looking. See, observe it very carefully. You can see all 7 colors on the bark. It will look very beautifully, right? It will look very beautifully.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and it will give you good fragrance to you. Give you
Mm.
a good fragrance to you, good smell it
Oh,
will
very
produce. Okay,
good.
and this tree oil, okay, this tree seeds oil will be used for the medicinal purpose. For example, you are using many of the painkillers, right? And for the cold treatment, they will use this eucalyptus oil. Okay, eucalyptus oil will be used for many medicinal purpose. Okay, as a painkiller, as for for the cold. Okay, you can see it. Okay, fine, you can enlarge and you can see it. It's very cute to see this plant. Okay, it will be having a 7 colorful bark. Okay, it will be having a 7 colorful
This
bark. Okay, so next, so what you have to do in your workbook? Okay, what you have to do in your workbook, I will tell you. Okay, so thank you, children. So everyone, please stay
Goodbye,
online.
ma'am.